Hey there, Nocturnes! Welcome back to English Me, here on Nocturnal Sage, a guide for those left in the dark. Ako nga pala ulit si Kuya N, ang inyong class president. Noong nakaraang meeting with Sir Jeremy, diniscuss niya yung tungkol sa jargons. Naalala niyo ba kung ano yon? Sige nga, i-define niyo kung ano yung jargons. Tama! Ang jargons, ito yung mga specific words na ginagamit sa isang particular field o larangan na hindi naman ginagamit kapag nakikipag-usap ka sa iyong nanay, tatay, kapatid, kaibigan, etc. Mas lalo na siguro kung nag-order ka sa isang fast food chain, hindi mo naman ginagamit yung words na scientific method, yung accountancy, bankruptcy, kasi yung mga ganong mga nakaka-nosebleed na salita. Yun yung jargons. So, useful ang jargon sa English for academic and professional purposes kasi nga, andun yung purpose eh. Yung purpose, kasi ginagamit natin yung words na yun hindi para ipakita na matalino tayo, kundi para magkaintindihan kung ano ba talaga yung ibig sabihin ni ganito, ganyan kapag nakikipag-usap sa'yo. Sa klase natin ngayon with Sir Jeremy, ibang series na tayo. No, yung sa unang series, diniscuss natin ang tungkol sa text structure, yung hugis ng isang teksto, yung kanyang mga nilalaman, hindi yung ideas lang, kundi yung kung paano inaayos yung mga ideas na yon. At saka, yung language use, kung anong uri na lengguwahe yung ginagamit sa mga academic text. Ngayon, alam na natin dapat yung pagkakaiba ng academic text sa literary text na yung language masyadong creative, yung hindi talaga gamit at saka pansariling gawa gawa lang ng sariling katha yung mga salita o iba pang mga pangungusap. So, yun yung pagkakaiba ng academic sa literary text. Ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano tayo mag-aral. Talagang paano natin maaalala yung mga impormasyong kailangan natin i-memorize para sa isang exam. So, welcome to the new series on extracting specific ideas from a text. Matutunan na natin dito yung mga techniques na pwedeng gamitin ng kahit sino mag-aaral para maging effective sa sa pag-aaral para sa isang exam. Tara na, punta na tayo sa klase ni Sir. Oh, English me, oh, English me, gusto kong matuto ng Ingles pero hindi alam kung paano. Glad to have you back there, Nocturnes. This time is Tonight is the start of the next series of English Me. We'll deal with extracting specific ideas and summarizing academic texts. So we're now done with the structure and the language use in academic reading and writing. Now we proceed to actual studying. The topical question that I'd like you to remember throughout this lecture is, how do I extract specific ideas from a text? And the objectives for tonight are to explain the specific ideas contained in various academic texts and to use knowledge of text structure to glean the information we need. These are taken from the DepEd Curriculum Guide for AUP, in case you're wondering. How do we extract specific ideas? When we say extract, it's to get. Do you remember the commercials for shampoos when they advertise the the flavor of each shampoo? They mention extracts from fruit saps, etc., like mangoes, peach, papaya. If we take that meaning into context, we readers can extract ideas from what we read. So those ideas are what are the saps that we get from fruits. We're going to learn how to extract the most important information that we can find in the text. We don't have to extract anything. We just need the essential or the important. Now I want you to imagine that you're studying for a test. Let's read the following paragraph. Let's say these paragraphs that you're about to read have been assigned to you to study. As you go along, I want you to write down information that you think is important. You can jot down on a piece of paper or simply use your photographic memory. Are you ready? Let's start. Feel free to use the following annotation guide, though you may add or replace symbols that you can relate with. These are the symbols that I originally concocted for you to use as a guide. Again, it's a guide, not a law. So you can create your own symbols. Anyway, it's just to be meant to be viewed by you only. Here's the first text. Let's read it together. Gonorrhea is a disease characterized by a yellowish discharge caused by a bacterium called gonococcus, which usually first affects the urethra in men, the vagina in women, or the intestinal canal. Gonorrhea is the most common of the venereal or sexually transmitted diseases. It is almost contracted through sexual intercourse with an infected partner. It can also be transmitted through contaminated objects such as towels, linens, or clothing, although this is extremely rare. Now, can you tell me what are the key points you've extracted? Okay, we have the definition of gonorrhea, the manifestations, etc. Let's look at the second text. The main reason for the irregularity of English spelling lies in the very formation of the English language, which has preserved or reintroduced the old historical spelling of the principal languages, contributing most to it. Old English, Anglo-Saxon, Old French, Latin, and Greek. Many Greek and Latin loanwords, such as bona fide, alibi, phenomenon, comma, and atlas, retained their original spelling. Numerous Old French words, example, piece, example, and chime, have retained their medieval spelling and often their pronunciation. Hundreds of Anglo-Saxon words such as cow, sheep, calf, and swine have been retained even though the spelling has been changed. Can you tell me the key points that you've extracted? Alright, the overall nature of English and the different features, the ones about French, Latin, and Anglo-Saxon words. Here's where we can use our knowledge of text structure. You remember the topic sentence and supporting information, right? Let's apply them here. First, I want you to take a look at the key points that you've just extracted. First, I want you to make a keyword outline. Okay, one keyword outline per text. So arrange them first according to the main idea and then the supporting information. When I say keyword outline, I'm just expecting the keywords only. Don't make it hard on yourself yet. For example, if you read a text on biology, maybe the main idea would be biology, and then the supporting information would include study of life, many sub-branches, and variety of career opportunities. Okay, are you done with your keyword outline? Okay, if you need more time for your keyword outline, just remember you can pause this anytime according to your pace. Now when you're done, let's move on to the next outline. So this time, based on your keyword outlines, complete them by turning them to sentence outlines. So we have here on top the topic sentence and then the supporting information. So going back to the biology example, if the keyword that I've written under main idea is biology, then the topic sentence may sound like biology is a unique branch of science. And then the supporting information, the corresponding points would be biology is a study of life, the first one. Biology has many sub-branches under it. And then lastly, there are good career opportunities for those pursuing a degree in biology. So imagine if your notes are organized this way, it would be easier to remember the information that you have to memorize for your exam. Usually, when you read your books or articles, information is not labeled with topic sentence and supporting information. But you can identify clues like words in bold are the important terms that you need to remember, the ones that are italicized even. But for texts that don't offer such physical clues, then you can create clues for yourselves. Write outlines. For the next episode, we're going to answer the question, what is the most effective way of summarizing academic texts? Now, the topic on extracting key points is related to this because if you don't know how to extract the important ideas from a text, the less likely that you'll be able to write an effective summary. So I want you to practice using the materials for your other subjects by making keyword and sentence outlines for each. Survive in the dark, everyone. See you in the next episode. Oh English me, oh English me, gusto kong matuto ng Ingles pero hindi alam kung paano. Sino ang magtuturo? Gusto kong matuto na talaga. Oh English me. Word of the night. Humongous. Adjective. Ang first three na makakapag-comment sa baba ng meaning at ng kanyang original sentence, yung hindi kinopya ha, yung talagang ikaw ang nag-isip, ay magkakaroon ng shoutout sa susunod na episode. Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo, Nocters? Mag-comment na kayo sa baba bago mag-Friday para masama sa editing ng inyong post. Kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na to, i-like mo na sa baba. Kung may mga tanong kayo, suggestion, mag-comment na lang din kayo. Saka, huwag nyo kalimutan i-share to sa mga kakilala nyo. Alam nyo magte-take ng AYAP sa darating na pasukan. Alam nyo naman na sa panahon ngayon, kanya-kanya ng diskarte sa kung paano makahanap ng resources. Mag-join din kayo sa ating private Facebook group. Ang pangalan ay The Noctur Space. Kung nahihiya kayo mag-suggest ng topics sa baba kasi magiging public yun, at least meron kayong private space para i-discuss yung mga saloobin nyo tungkol sa mga bagay na pwede natin pag-usapan sa channel na to. At higit sa lahat, mag-subscribe din kayo. Ang Nocturnal Sage ay nakafocus sa 4 na larangan. Una, self-conquest. Para ito sa mga nagsistruggle sa mga dark emotions like depression, extreme sadness, anger, even. Communication, kung gusto mong gumaling sa pagsasalita, magkaroon ng mas mataas na level ng confidence, or kung gusto mo rin pahasain palalo ang iyong pagbasa at pagsusulat. Kaya nga may AYAP, may English Me. Saka leadership, kung ikaw ay baguhan sa isang posisyon kung saan kailangan mong humawak ng mga tao, intindihin sila, at saka manduhin, whether or not, let's say, student council president ka or bagong promote sa work, para sa iyo ang channel na to. At higit sa lahat, expansion. Kung naghahanap ka ng paraan para lumago sa iyong karera bilang estudyante o professional, at naghahanap ka ng paraan para matupad yun, kung anong skillsets yung kailangan mo, para sa iyo ang Nocturnal Sage. Salamat sa panonood. Ako, muli si Kuya N. Kita-kits sa susunod na episode ng English Me here on Nocturnal Sage, a guide for those left in the dark.